Hey guys, what's going on? So this year we're going to up the snowblower game on our YouTube channel with a couple of great products from Toro. So we'll be doing some review videos on the Toro Power Max HD, the Toro Power Shovel, and the Toro Snowmaster. These are a couple of great products that Toro has to offer. Myself, I've been using Toro products for many years. I'm up here in New Hampshire. You guys are always asking where I'm from, and I think the accent kind of gives it away, but right now it's freezing out. It's probably about 35 degrees out while I'm shooting this video. Wanted to give you guys a heads up of what we have coming. I've used Toro products, for many years. As a kid growing up, we had an auto body shop in the backyard, and I had a 100-foot driveway. So my father would start at one end of the driveway with this, I think it was a Toro 724. I'd start at the other end of the driveway with a Toro 724. We'd kind of come at each other, meet in the middle, get the whole driveway cleared out for our customers, so then we can get the business open. These are great products. Toro's been around for many years, and I'm pretty excited to show you guys how they operate and function. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.